Our Ultimate Button Pack is a bundle of over 130 Adobe Muse buttons ready to be used on your next project. Not only are we providing you with this amazing list of buttons, but we're also providing to you over 70 minutes of in-depth training on how we created them. So take, for example, our gradients button. Look at this. As you hover over them, you'll find that not only is it a really amazing gradient color, but we're also including background images that activate on hover state. This technique is explained in detail by our resident expert, Chris Kellett, who will walk you through step by step how we accomplished this feat. Not only that, you can also use any of the 130 buttons on any project that you see fit. So for example, if I click over to Muse, you'll see that in my list of library widgets, you'll see that I have all 130 plus of these widgets ready to go. So all I have to do is click, drag, and drop, and now this button is completely ready to go inside of my project. And again, every single one of these buttons that you find here are completely built inside of Adobe Muse. There is no Photoshop work, it's all Adobe Muse. The advanced techniques that you'll learn by reviewing these buttons will also allow you to apply these effects to other objects as you see fit.